just got me on.
Does it make you wanna scream?
Say the sisters got me on.
So we've got this customer's 135i N55 came into us with a fault on the eccentric shaft. Sometimes you can get away with just changing the Valvetronic servo motor. We tried that, but obviously that involves taking all the rocker cover off, fuel system out, injectors out, cradles for the injectors usually have to come out as well. Tried the actuator itself, tested it, reprogrammed it with ISTA. Unfortunately in this case it appeared that the shaft was too worn, so obviously we had to strip it back down again, take the Valvetronic motor out, which is like a worm gear that just turns the actual eccentric shaft itself. And then obviously we've had to change the shaft, as you'll see in various clips that I'd imagine you'll be scrolling through. I'm not going to get into how the eccentric shaft works, because I mean, I'd be literally stood here all day trying to do it. There is a website that's really good for explaining stuff, to be fair. I don't know if you've heard of it, but if it's www.google.co.uk, whenever I get stuck, I'll just go there. I mean, if I want to know something, just go there. Rather than me being stood here for an hour boring you with all eccentric stuff, facts and figures. But yeah, ultimately it needed a shaft. The teeth on the shaft wear, which we'll get some photos of just to put in this video. And it's all built up back, so it's all built back up now. Quite an interesting job, to be fair. Without the use of this special tool, you'd just end up with some sort of M8 bolt embedded into your skull, because the actual torsion springs are under a lot of tension considering the size of the bolt, so you have to secure those springs prior to taking any of the runners on the shaft out, and then obviously getting them back in is a good laugh, but we got there in the end, didn't we? But yeah, it's all built back up, so we're literally just going to put ISTA back on it, which is obviously BMW's main dealer tool, which we've got in house. Program the Valvetronic motor and hopefully try and fix the fault, and then get it on the dyno for stage 1.